Hi everyone! So I have a haul from Temu. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a coupon code. It is FAV45575. I'll also leave a link down below with all of these products that I'm going to be sharing today. So some of them I did purchase and some of them were sent to me with some Temu credit that I had. So this bag, I'm obsessed with it. It was $3.50. It is so big. That's why I opened it, because I'm like, wow, that looks a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. So this comes in at about like 9.5 by 7. And the inside, it's really big. Like, it even opens up probably like another 2.5 inches. It's just really, really cute. I'm obsessed. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need more of these. So my initial thing I thought about doing was, when we travel, I was going to put our passports in here and our cell phone charger. Like, I always need that like quick on hand, so I thought this little baggie would be cute for that. But then I also did end up buying an actual like passport container thing. So I don't know how to do with this, but it's so pretty. I kind of don't even want to use it. I just love it. My next item was $3.14. Do you guys remember when Joann's had that monster mesh? So that's what this reminded me of. So it's in silver. And this one, I actually found it by searching floral paper, because I was trying to find like some Halloween like tissue paper type stuff, and I ended up finding this. So I got the gray and then I got the black. The one I have from Joann's has like silver in it, so I wanted just like plain, because I thought this would be cute. I got some pencil pouches from Dollar Tree, and I was thinking about like cutting this off and then like wrapping it around kind of like a belly band. So I got those. Oh, and this one was a little bit more expensive. This was $3.22 for that one. Okay, these are so stinking cute. These were $5.57, and I believe it was, is it 15 that came? 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, 16. So these end up being, oh, almost lost one. Really cute. Like, look, they are like painted on. So we got some little aliens. We have a ghosty, a little jack-o'-lantern, spider. Oh, the alien comes in yellow and in pink. Are these the same? Oh, look, in this one, I actually got, these are actually different. Let me open it. So it looks like a little jack guy in here. Hold on. Okay, definitely want to buy more of these. So I got the alien. We got a ghost in black. We got like a little Jack Skellington guy. And then the others are repeat. Oh, there's a purple little jack-o'-lantern. So those came out super cute. I would totally buy another set of those. And then I got these ghosties because I do have a tutorial on my channel. Just remind me and I'll link it for you guys, where I did a tassel out of embroidery thread. And I thought this would be kind of cute. So it has the tassel hanging out because it is like open and kind of wide on the bottom. So that was my idea for these guys. So these were just all in white. And these were $3.61 for 10 pieces. This one I'm kind of sad about. So this was supposed to be a stamp and die set, and only the stamp came. So I did submit the refund, but it was $4.21 for both, and I did get the full refund. I tried doing like missing a piece, and I was trying to get them to send me just the die, and I even messaged the seller, and they didn't write back to me. They just like rejected the claim. So then I went back in and I actually did like a full refund through Temu, and then that got approved. I kind of wish that they would have been more willing to like work with me and just send me the missing piece, because I would have been happy with that, but I guess they didn't care, so I ended up getting the full refund for that. This was 16 pieces for $2.27. And I just thought these were cute. They look like the little Pac-Man ghost. And they are actually really big. I thought they were going to be smaller. Oh, these have a large hole on them. Let me get my stuff out. You guys know I love checking if they fit on beadable pins. Oh, these do. Oh, That's awesome. So if it fits on the pin, I'll definitely fit on the Pokie tool. I forgot to check these. Oh yeah, I think these will fit too. Nice. Okay, I love sharing with you guys if they fit on the Pokie tools and the beadable pins, because I just feel like it's like really helpful to help make a decision on if you want something or not. So did I say these were $2.27 for 16? I think they're really cute. Those were actually like a pastel color set. I use these a lot for what I do my beadable pins. So it actually is like, I'll open it. It's a little loop. So that way I can go ahead and through this loop I'll put a jump ring, and then I'll do like a tassel hanging off of there. So this will fit like nice in between the beads, and I needed some silver because I was only able to find gold in my stash right now, even though I swore that I had silver. And I only use silver during Halloween time, so I figured this pack that was like a 50-50 mix would be really nice. It was 100 pieces for $4.51. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. It's 30 pieces for $1.26. I'm sorry, I'm still recovering from being sick, so if I sound funny. I thought these were really pretty. I found these in the nail art section, so these are actually to go ahead and be put on top of your nails, but I just thought they were going to be really cute just as little embellishment pieces, so I got those. See, I was testing out some nail polish. I don't know if you can see like a little bit of like green, so that's going to be my next color that I do. I was just trying it out to see if I liked it, so yeah, just a little side note there. This was 40 grams. These are 2mm. They call them beads, but they're not. They're just little round balls because there is no hole. So I don't know why they call it a bead, but I thought for some sequence mix or just as little pieces for inside of a shaker, I thought that was really nice. So I got that one. I love like traditional Halloween of like orange and black, and then I do mix in like the green and purple, so that's perfect for me. This was 50 pieces for $7.16. I'm really excited to see what I get. It just said that you'd be getting a mixed pack, so sometimes it's when you get a mixed pack, it doesn't always come out like how it looks in the photo. So let's see. Okay, these are nice. So we got a witch's hat. The other thing I was thinking about doing was you could just go ahead and use this as like a little tiny like chunky charm embellishment. So you could go ahead and add some beads on here just to add some like extra to it. I was also thinking that if you're going to be using this silicone piece for something else, you can always take the two chains and make it even longer. So I'll probably be doing that as well, because that is more like the length of my chains that I like them to be. So let's see, we got little hats. We have a little skull. We have a ghosty. We have like the little scream face. Oh, this ghosty's different. He's cute. He has a little bow tie. Oh, this one I really liked. There was a lot of these different kits, but I picked this one specifically because I saw on this one that they actually had one that said Happy Halloween, so I was really hoping to go ahead and get that one. Oh my gosh, I don't remember seeing this guy, so that's really cute. Although he is missing the rest of his chain, so maybe it just broke off in here. We'll have to find it. Oh, look at this little bat. He's kind of see-through though. I wish he was more solid black. We got a candle, a jack-o'-lantern, like a little cowboy looking skull guy. Oh wait, there's a red one here. Oh, like a pirate themed. Oh, I might take this on my cruise. That would be cute. Oh, there's like a regular little jack-o'-lantern. So there's two different styles there. Oh, look at that little bat. It's kind of funny looking. Let's see. Oh, there's like another skull head over here. Oh, there's an eyeball. Oh, look, there's tombstone. Here's the eyeball. I think I only ended up with one eyeball. Couple of candles. I don't remember if I showed those. And then I don't remember if I showed that ghosty guy. Oh my gosh, this was just a funny thing for myself. $1.29, and it's for like the bread, the little, you know, those little things that you put on the end of your bread to keep it closed. I always lose them, so I don't know why this one came up on my feed and I thought it was so funny. Although now that I'm looking at it, this is way too huge to go on my bread bag now that I'm looking at it. So that's kind of disappointing. I don't think it's going to work, but I'll try it out. But I just thought it was funny. So I got that one. This was 20 pieces for $3.33. I thought these were really cool. So they actually say Happy Halloween on the sign. So that's what made me fall in love with those. So I got some of those. Oh my gosh, you got a ton of stuff, you guys. Okay, these are clear little skull heads. These are really nice to put in the center of your bows. Now, I wanted the smaller size, but I was only able to find the larger size in stock when I was shopping. So I got the larger size, and I'm going to try it out and see how that works. This was 40 pieces for $1.63. Again, this is when I was searching the nail art that these ended up coming up. Got a couple more items here to share with you guys. These are some pastel gummy bears, but they are like skeleton. They're so cute, and they already have the eye screw in there, so you could go ahead and use them as like little charms. So these are really cute. Oh, there's two different kinds. I guess that's meant to be like a purple background, even though it's really pink. And then you got a pastel pink, the blue, then like the mint, the yellow. Yeah, that's all the colors there. So these were $1.79 for the 10 pieces. And then, let's see, what was in this last little one here? Oh, I love this. You guys know I'm obsessed with, oh, her hair's blue. I wish it was black. I wonder if it was blue in the picture and I just didn't pay attention. Okay, this is what made me buy it, was there's actually Madame Mim in here, and I just thought that was so cute. What happened to Captain Hook's face? I'm gonna have to go back and look at the photo. I probably just saw it and like added it. Oh my god, why is Gaston bald? Okay. This is like 50-50. I honestly bought it because I wanted Madame Mim. So the fact that the other characters look crazy is just so funny. We got the Queen of Hearts. We have Maleficent. Oh my god, Maleficent looks crazy too. Like, what is going on with her eye there? Have the Evil Queen. We have Ursula, Jafar. Oh my gosh, Scar. Scar is my favorite villain, and he's so hard to find on stuff. That's why I also got this thing, because I love the villains. And then we got Oogie Boogie, and then we have Hades here. So I got this for myself because I just thought it was cool, but now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of funky. Oh, you know what? And it does fit fat girl wrist, so that's always nice. I saw that it had the extender, but when they don't come with the extenders, it's really easy to add on since I already have all the crafting supplies for that anyways. But I definitely need to go back and look at the photo. This is probably like my error of not paying attention, but this is so funny. I will still definitely happily wear that. So that's my little haul for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help you guys out. If you need help searching for anything on Temu, just let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out with that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.